Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to get right into it. We have a Forever 21 haul to end all hauls. I think I got the most stuff ever, and it kind of came at a funny time because obviously it is tax season, and the last day to file your taxes is April 17th. Just a word of warning. Actually, I think this video is going to go past that, so hopefully you've already filed. But I actually found out that we owe a lot of tax money, so I found out the same day that this arrived, so I was like, uh-oh, this might be the last for a while, so good thing it's a big haul. But with all that said, I'm gonna get into it. This was from a Forever 21 additional 50% off sale, so a sale on their sale, and those are my favorite. That is when I buy the most stuff because you can get dresses for like $3, shoes for $10. So I'm gonna show you everything I got today. Okay, so to start off, I have talked about them before, about probably when I was talking about Nordstrom Rack, but my favorite inexpensive shoe brand is Cape Robin. And Forever 21 also sells Cape Robin, so I was super excited to see that shoes I've been eyeing for a while were on sale. They are these really awesome velvet cowboy booties, so you can see them here. It's so pretty. They have like very much a Western flair to them. And then they have like a wedge heel, and I have a pair of shoes like mules that already have this kind of wedge heel, and they are so comfortable, but they still give you a really good amount of height. So I'm super excited to wear these. These are a size 8, and I think they'll fit me perfectly. I did try one of them on already, and it was so good. They looked so good. I highly suggest them. They were about $20. Okay, so I'm gonna get a couple accessories out of the way. This is gonna be so much, and I'm actually opening them all on camera, so it's really exciting. They're literally all in the plastic that they came in, and one thing that I really love is that when you go into the store, obviously you take it off the rack and it's on a hanger, but when you buy stuff from Forever 21 online, everything is packaged like in this plastic, and it's just so cool because it feels like really extra exciting, like you're opening a gift from yourself. I don't know if I'm the only one who feels that way, but I always love that, like that feeling of like opening something fresh when you know that like you're the first person to touch it. I don't know. So anyway, I think this is a scarf. The other fun thing about ordering online is like it is kind of a gift because you don't even remember what you got. Yeah, so this is like a shawl like scarf, and it's like faux fur. I think it was like $5. Let me see. Probably look like a pimp. It's okay. It's kind of got like a weird smell to it, like almost like a plasticky smell a little bit. Ooh, okay. I'd probably like use that to dress up more of like a casual outfit, like not go super overboard. Actually, kind of looks cool. Look at that. I might leave this here for a second. I like that. Also the hat that I'm wearing today is brand new from this as well. The only thing I've opened so far are the hats. And I was super drawn to this hat because of the black trimming around it. But then also it's like a speckled gray, and that is something I've never seen in store before, and I am totally addicted to hats. I've worn a hat in every single video that I've made, I think. And to see one that's a little bit different than what they normally have in store was really, really cool. Also, normally their hats in store are like $20, and this one was like, I think $5, which is just absolutely insane to me. Okay, so next up we have a necklace. And this is the only necklace that I got. Oh my god, it's awesome. It is awesome. Wow. It's crazy to me that sometimes their like stuff on sale is better than the stuff like full price in the store. Look at that. That is so cool. Oh my god, I'm definitely gonna be getting somewhere out of this. I love these like Western boho inspired sort of pieces. It was originally $14.90. I think I got it for like, again, $5 or so. Pretty much every single thing in here was like definitely between $5 and $20, but mostly like $5. So that is absolutely awesome. Next up, I'm going to show you the other hats that I got. They are right here next to me. I got 4 hats total because again, they were like $5, so I couldn't pass it up. I got this floppy hat. Ooh. Bye, floppy hat. So this is just like a regular straw floppy hat, good for the beach or something. Like, I'm never gonna go to the beach, and also I live in landlocked Tennessee, but you know, if you go to the beach, that would be a good hat for it. Then I got this blue hat. I always think of like an old-timey detective with these style hats, like with the indentation in front, because they're really not that Western, but it has a matching blue velvet ribbon across it, and then it's just a little bit floppy, but you can also kind of like mold it to whatever you want it to be. I also think of Pharrell obviously with these hats, and more importantly I think of John Mayer, and John Mayer is not only my favorite musician of all time but also my style inspiration, so another reason why I love these hats. So then my final hat, yeah, this is my final hat, is just a basic floppy hat, a tan beige sort of hat, rounded on the top, no indentations, and then a thick black ribbon. So it's a pretty good deal. I mean, like $20 normally gets you one hat full price in the store. To get 4 hats for that was just really, really cool. And I get so much use out of them for pictures and then also on here. So it works out really well. Okay, so next up, okay, so this sweater was originally like $29, between $28 and $29. And it is from their contemporary collection. And okay, this is so not what I was expecting. Interesting. It is like super, super cropped. Like I knew it was gonna be cropped, but not like that. But the sleeves are what got me on this one, because look at how big the sleeves are. I love those like giant bat sleeves. And then it has a cute little like short, turtleneck here, so you can see how it might look. But wow, the fact that it's that cropped, like I'm really glad I didn't pay full price. That's another really good thing about sales, is like when you see that something like sucks and you're really glad you didn't pay the price for it. Okay, that will be interesting, but I do really love the color. Okay, next up I think we have a poncho. And I mean, obviously some of this was on sale because it was like winter stuff, and this is definitely like a winter material, very, very thick. We have another like mini turtleneck situation here. This is also like, sometimes you get online brands that you would not normally find in the store. Like a lot of times it's just like Forever 21 brand in the store, but online you can find all the different brands that they offer. So you get a better selection of sale too than just like looking on the picked over racks in the store. So this is a one size fits all sort of poncho. This is humongous. So whereas the other one was little, this is gigantic. Can you even see that? Look at how, oh my God. That's a lot of material. It's like a bed sheet, but it's gonna be probably like super comfortable, especially if I work in an office. So if I were in the office, this is probably one of the biggest ponchos that I have ever owned. So we'll see how this goes, but I really love the fact that it's like the gray tones again. That's like my favorite thing. So you could probably tell a lot about my preferred style by this haul. Ooh, I love like tribal, like Mexican Western sort of prints. I don't know, I never know like what exactly it's called. Southwestern perhaps. This is the brand Woven Heart, and this is a poncho that doesn't have the sleeves, like the sleeve holes. So you just kind of wrap it around yourself, and let me see. You just basically look like you're wearing a blanket. I feel like instantly so much more comfortable. I look in the monitor and I'm like, oh yeah, I look like myself now. I look like Angelica, like with the hat and with the poncho on. So here you see it. It's got this really nice Southwestern print. I don't know if it's reversible. I don't think it's actually meant to be reversible, but you probably like could technically reverse it if you wanted to. It is so cool. I love this. Look at this. Ooh. I'd probably wear this with like a dress or something like that, like a plain solid color dress underneath, and then like with like maybe tights and some booties. Like I think that would look really, really cute. So I'm super excited about this. Okay, next up we have a super cool like sweater kimono situation. Another one of my very favorite things. I forget what size this is. This looks also like really, really big. It doesn't even say what size. It's really long. Oh my God. So look at this. I thought this would look so good in pictures. Oh yes. Look at this. I love that. I love all the colors of this. I'm gonna just take a look quickly myself here. Yeah, that's a lot of fabric. These things definitely do not skimp on the fabric. And this has about like, I'd say probably half sleeves, maybe even 3/4 depending on how long your arms are. But wow, This is nice. It's really nice material, really nice material. Like you could get that at a boutique and it would cost you like at least like $42 or something. That is really cool. That's gonna look great with hats, maybe like some like ripped denim and heels. Like that would be a really good outfit for a picture. I'm like, the wheels are already spinning. So if you're interested in seeing how I end up styling this stuff, you should definitely check out my Instagram, which is Your Fuzzy Scarf. And please subscribe to this channel, by the way. Okay. So my favorite thing in the entire world outside of ponchos and hats and kimonos are these really soft cotton nightgowns from Forever 21, like that go to your knees or a little bit above your knees. This one, oh, it's gonna be like, what? I thought this was a nightgown. Okay, yeah, it is a nightgown. It was just stuck to itself. This has, let's take a look at this. It has French fries, hot dogs, cheeseburgers. I feel like I showed in like another one. I think I got it from Forever 21 too, actually. It was like a little pair of like shorts, pajama shorts, and it had like the same fast food stuff. So obviously there's something that I specifically like about fast food. But these are so seriously like so soft. I have like all different kinds of slogans. I think I have another one with a hamburger on it. They really must think that young women like love fast food because it's on every single one of their shirts, like nightgown and otherwise. But this is perfect. This is a size medium. This is going to be so comfortable to like lounge around in and sleep in. So next up, let's see, is that a tissue paper? What the hell is that? Oh my God. Okay, I don't even know what this is. I literally don't even know what this is, so that's really funny. Oh, okay. This is a, like a long vest, like full length vest that ties in the front, and it has like a collar here too. You probably can't even make it out because it's black. It's in a size medium. This is by the brand Iris Los Angeles, which is kind of interesting. Again, like I've never seen that brand and I've been shopping at Forever 21 like for literally 15 plus years. And it's like, again, like look at this tag and everything. It's like a little like door. That is so cool. Like you do not find that in stores. But anyway, I know you can't see it really. This is probably gonna look really cool in pictures. Let me see. Yeah, so you can like wear this with like a dress or something like that, or even again with like jeans and a shirt underneath. Like actually, I kind of think it would look really cool with like a band t-shirt and jeans and heels again with this over it. Like that would be a really cool look with like a hat like this. Oh yes. Okay, and next up, I know what this is because I don't have anything like it, so I like distinctly it stood out in my brain of like, okay, when you get your order, it's gonna have this fringe vest. So it's like a fringe suede vest. And I recently got a fringe suede jacket from Forever 21 in their previous additional 50% off sale, and it worked out so well that I was like, I have to get something like this again. So this was originally $29.90, and I think I got it for like $11 or something like that. Again, a really cute tag. Can you see that? So cute. So this is like really small basically, but it's got the fringe on the bottom. This is definitely a situation where a lot of these items would be awesome if you were like going to a music festival like Coachella or whatever. Here in Nashville we have like Pilgrimage. How did I just say that? Pilgrimage Fest. And I think it's like partially owned by Justin Timberlake or something, but it's like a 3-day event. Everybody hangs out outside. Also, if you're going to see Dead & Company, again, John Mayer plug, this would be something really cool to wear with whatever. You can pop this over anything and make it look extra cool and boho. Okay, so next up, I also know what this is. This is going to be a cropped black blazer. I'm not like that into blazers, honestly, but I just think that this one's going to be really cool because I don't have anything cropped, and I really thought, again, with the t-shirt and jeans, this could be really cute. Yeah, this will work. I don't, like, there's shoulder pads in it. It's like, what is with the shoulder pads? Like, that is so bizarre to me. So this is really cute. This is a small. I think that will be fine. We got some button details on the sleeves. It reminds me of like a waiter jacket, you know what I mean? And actually I probably wore something like this when I was a waiter at some point in my life. But luckily it's not bringing back bad memories. You know, it does bring back bad memories though, are those disgusting black sneakers that they make you wear to like not slip, like the non-slip black sneakers. Oh my god, I never even wore, I worked at a diner in New Jersey and I refused to wear them. Like, I was known as the creepazoid who like did not wear them. I'm shocked I didn't get fired. Next thing, we have our one and only sweatshirt from the haul, and it says, "Rock and roll satisfies my soul." And as a gigantic music lover, I had to get this. I thought this was so cute, literally to either wear as like a complete outfit that I actually photograph, or to wear at work, or to wear around the house. Like, the amazing thing about sweatshirts like this that are really cool looking, despite them being just casual gray shirts, is that you can do anything you want. You can absolutely dress this up or down. I'd even freaking wear the blazer with this, like anything. And I love like the block lettering of this. It's literally stitched right into the sweatshirt, so I think that's going to be really, really cute. That was a size medium. Okay, so we are down to our last two things. Thank you so much for watching. Again, please subscribe. I'm trying to go through this fast because I realize that my watch time on YouTube is like 3 minutes average that people watch my videos, and yet they're like 25 minutes to 27 minutes long. So I'm like, bitch, who is shutting off my videos? Like, I work hard on these. Why are you shutting it off? Don't shut it off. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I know people have lives. They don't have time to watch 25-minute videos. I get that. So anyway, this is a handbag. This is the only handbag I got in the sale. It definitely goes with the other style of everything else that I got. It would look good with pretty much any of those things. It's in dusty pink. It was $27.90. And it's absolutely real suede. I mean, this is like, you get this out of the bag and it smells amazing. It reminds me of like a little saddle bag, but like a hippie style like saddle bag. I love it. I don't have anything like this. I think you can definitely do crossbody, long strap, or just like on your shoulder. Awesome. I am so excited for this. Again, it makes me like really want to go to a music festival, because this would be perfect with like cut-off shorts, which makes me think right away of Tobias from Arrested Development, cutoffs. But with cut-off shorts, with sandal, like cool hippie like wedge sandals or like clogs or something. Oh my god, that would be so amazing. I'm actually going to a concert of my favorite band, The National, May 3rd, Ascend Amphitheater in Nashville, Tennessee. And so if you guys are fans or in the area, you should definitely come. It's going to be a wild time. I'm actually going by myself, but that's okay because I go to a lot of shows by myself and it's always a lot more fun, because instead of like forcing a friend who doesn't even like the band to come with you, might as well just go by yourself and have a ball and get yourself a beer, you know? Treat yourself to a solo date night. So I didn't know what size to get in this. I got a large actually, which normally I get like a medium. Sometimes it's small. I actually get small, medium, and large. I'd say almost equally to one another at Forever 21, because it totally depends on the material and the type of dress. A-line versus like form-fitting versus with a zipper, without a zipper, like so many different like variables. But this is just like kind of like what I would call like a witchy dress. It's got this like sheer chiffon over just a solid black sort of piece here. It's all one piece. I think they call it like a cape over it, but it's kind of like a front cape, and then the back is more exposed. Yeah, you can see it right there. It does look like it has a zipper. I don't even know if I'll need to open the zipper though to actually put it on, but really, really cool, especially with the chiffon piece in front. I think you can see how sheer it is. Like, that's gonna look awesome, so I'm really excited for that. I don't know where I'm gonna wear it yet, but I'll find some place to wear it. I'm gonna let you guys go, but please subscribe, and if you want to see more hauls, if you want to see more luxury items, let me know. I am so down to film anything, and I thank you so much again. Please follow me on Instagram at YourFuzzyScarf as well. Subscribe down below, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.